I just realized I look like a counterfeit Canadian right now. I'm wearing a Raptors hat and a Money Cat hoodie. These, a lot of people ask, the Money Cat hoodies, these are from Parlor 23. It's a shop in Toronto. Check them out, parlor23.com and @parlor23. This is not a sponsored video. I just really like Parlor 23 and what they do. They do a really good job. You can sponsor this video if you want with your beautiful eyes and ears, lending them to me while you watch me unbox some kind of mystery box. I'm SB Mitch. Who am I? I'm SB Mitch. That's what I just said. Sucks for you. Info. Subscribe. Do that or don't. Whichever works for you. It kind of sounded like Yoda. Like Yoba. You know Yoba. It's a Boom Bam reference no one will get. Except for one dude. Hello, pals. Like I said before, it's Beater Box Friday. We're opening a Beater Box from Supremacy. This box is... This box costs $950 plus $50 to ship it here to Chicago, Illinois for a grand total of $1,000. It's a grand total. Hey look, it's a counter. It's clearance. You know what a counter does, so I'm not going to explain it. But stick around till the end. I'll show you how much the box is worth on the secondary market versus how much I paid, because that's what everyone's interested in for some weird reason. Let's open the box. I've never gotten a bad $1,000 box. Why did I say bad like that? But these boxes are very hit or miss. I don't know why. I could just have bad luck with this kind of box. There's really no scientific explanation for it. So we have no loose pairs again. That's 2 weeks in a row. See a couple Jordan 1s in here, but there is an Adidas. So like always, we get Adidas out of the way early. It's a foreign release. Maybe China, I don't know. It's a Hue. It's a collaboration with Pharrell. These are dead stock, and they are a size US 7, right? No, it's a US 6.5, which is a UK 6. So we got a US 6.5. This is the Hue Holly. It says Passion on the right shoe, and it's got some characters on the left shoe. It is a dead stock pair, so that's cool. It's a size 6.5, so it's a little bit smaller, but that's okay. It's got the trail sole on it, which I don't mind, but a lot of people complain about. So Pharrell recently collaborated with Adidas again and released a bunch of really awesome colorways actually, but these are unworn, and there you go, size 6.5. Pharrell, Hue Holly, with a different kind of box. Hey, if you're interested in purchasing those, sbmitch.com today at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That's where you can find them, possibly. I don't see any more Adidas. Wait, nope, that's a Nike box. All right, so got an older Jordan box. The lid is a little bit beat up. It says it's a size 9 Jordan 5 Retro. Wow, these are in really good shape. They're not dead stock, but an older pair like this, in the kind of condition we see here, this is a Wolf Gray 5. This is a really nice pair. You got lace locks, a little bit of outsole discoloration. There's a full Jumpman on the insole, which is very cool. This is the heyday of Jordan, in my opinion, like mid-2000s to late and early 2010s. I think these are 2011 or 2013 release, I don't remember. Really nice condition, just a little bit of signs of wear and a little bit of signs of age. So there you go, size 9. Wolf Gray 5s. There are Jordan 1s, but I'm gonna save those for later. It's some kind of Nike sportswear box. It's a Foamposite, a Nike Air Foamposite 1 in a size 14. This box is actually in probably the best condition of a Foamposite box I've ever seen. I've got a pair of pewter Foamposites. These are actually in really good shape. Just a little bit of outsole discoloration and wear. Well, here's a little bit of a bummer. There's replacement insoles inside of these things. There's these soft sole things, which I understand with Foamposites because these things weigh like 55 pounds. Overall, the shoe's in good shape. I don't see any major scuffing or like any separation or anything like that because this is an older pair, but I don't know, Foamposites are cool, I guess, if you're into that, but pretty decent colorway. Pewter Air Foamposite 1s in a size 14. Not a great size. Well, it's an okay size for foams, I guess. Got a Nike Zoom KD 4 in a 13.5. I've seen a 13.5 once in a box I've gotten. Apparently that's what it is. Size 13.5 KD 4. I don't know the colorway because I don't know Kevin Durant sneakers at all. But these are in good shape. They're probably about 10 years old maybe. Nah, a little bit under 10 years old. Good shape, interesting colorway. I don't know what the colorway is called. It's definitely an OKC colorway when he was on the, what's the team name? Thunder, that's what they're called. Outsole's in pretty decent shape. I don't really have anything to say about this shoe. 13.5, not a good size. Tough size because not many people wear 13.5. KD4, huh? This box isn't looking too great. Let's hope those ones that are at the bottom are good. Nike size 14 free run +2. This does not feel like a Nike free run. This is a very heavy shoe. That explains it. It's a Foamposite. We got an Air Foamposite Pro, right? These have the original inserts in them at least, or original insoles. I think these are just called like Island Green or something like that. These are more recent than the pewters, but replacement box. It's another size 14. Woof. These are in good shape. Not much outsole wear. Just a big, heavy Foamposite. Nothing really to be excited about. Size 14. Uh-oh. We got 2 Jordan 1s left, so that might actually be okay, but this is definitely not looking like a $1,000 box right now. A size 11, Jordan 1. But yeah, we got a dead stock pair. Awesome. This is the neutral gray Air Jordan 1. Not the greatest colorway and not the greatest materials, but a dead stock pair of Jordan 1s is never anything to be sad about. This is one of the wilder Jordan 1s that came out alongside with like the turbo greens. Just had a weird mixture of materials that you really didn't see on many Jordan 1s for a really long time. But again, unworn pair. It just looks like the lace bag came detached because there is definitely a rip on the top of the bag. But otherwise, I mean, Shoe Palace receipt. Yeah, these are a dead stock pair. That's awesome. I'm okay with that. There you go. Size 11, dead stock pair of Jordan 1s in the neutral gray colorway from 2019, right? Let's see what this last one is. A size 14 Jordan 1. Not a great size again, but cool. Decent colorway. These are worn. So these are worn. They're in okay shape, just a little bit of heel drag. Hardly any star loss. This is the Blue Moon Air Jordan 1 from the Best Hand in the Game pack. A pack that released with 4 different colorways that were region based, and this was along with the Pine Green. Not Pine Green. What's the name of the green ones? I don't remember, whatever. But these released in the US. I think the red and the yellow ones released in the UK and Europe. It's got a nice suede back here. I mean, these are okay. These are probably the same kind of quality as like the Mochas that just came out. So good, not great kind of quality. But these are worn, some toe box creasing. These just need to have, looks like someone tied these really tight. You sure you're a size 14, whoever had these before? But you can see, outsole, decent shape, a little bit of heel drag right there. I don't really know why this box is $1,000. This is an okay shoe, but it just doesn't, this box doesn't scream $1,000 to me. So there's your last shoe, a size 14 Blue Moon 1. And somehow that is a $1,000 Sole Supremacy beater box. The sizes in this box are very tough to move. I don't see there being a whole lot of market value in this box, but hey, let's take a look at the numbers and see what's going on here. I mean, excuse me, I don't look the prices up or anything until after the video's over, but there's really not much to be excited about in this box. I have a hard time selling size 13.5 and 14. The fact that there's a 6.5 and it's dead stock, that's okay. This box is, this is probably like a $200 to $300 max profit box, but whatever, it's still profit, I guess. So if you're interested in purchasing any of these shoes, use your big, huge hands to look up the website spmitch.com and check it out, 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today, it updates. Hey, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Wow, this box is weird. Focus, fella. I hope you have a really good weekend. Might be able to do a recap by Monday. And if not, then I'll see you next time. So remember to take care of each other and keep sneakers fun because they're supposed to be fun. Bye.